Yeah. Spencer, Spencer, are you Cowboy's best friend? Hey, Spencer, who you calling cute? I'm terrified. Terrifying. What everybody got that? Yeah, I terrify everybody. Even Jason Lee Tucker, yeah, trucking, walking by faith, traveling, dragging blobs. What do you mean I'm not cute? Who's cute? Is that cat? You talking about cowboy? Chicky, chicky, wang guy? Hmm.
New episode 299. Only on the History Channel. Next day on the History Channel app.
Jim Thorpe, I haven't seen that level of greatness in so many sports.
Why you got cowboy cutie guy? Is it because I got a big head? I can move my arms.
Are a singular achievement.
The gold medals were taken away from them. It was an enormous injustice.
I know I have a point.
As human beings,
I'm out.
he was one
I'm
of
out
the
there, but look.
greatest.
Cutie, cutie, ha.
Part of history on
I'm not
the
cute.
only on the History Channel.
Cutie baby. Wait, I'm terrified.
Use a big financial
Sorry.
threat. Your BFF.
I gotta point. Wait, I'll
Strong
point.
enough to help you push past
I ain't
right
pointing at
obstacles.
you, baby.
So even when you have a big expense, you have new solutions that can make a big difference.
So how's everybody?
That big financial threat.
Everybody wants
Wherever
to
your journey takes you.
talk to a fan, as cute as I am, and terrifying.
Stay like that. I'm trying to get my own car insurance. USAA.
USA.
He shared membership with your mom so she could
Yeah,
share.
you should remember.
Easy.
Yeah, baby.
USAA. Check if you're eligible today.
Yeah, my adorable. Yeah.
Much of my
You
career
like
has
black
been working in construction.
people.
I love
Alright.
outdoors and that active lifestyle is what has caused my body to hurt. I didn't want to
So-
let this affect my family or my life, and that's what motivated me to
So,
create
where's
a team
everybody
to
from?
build the
What do you
Sigma
like to do,
Impact.
Spencer?
Clinically
In spare
proven
time.
to reduce
Watch
the
me.
impact of pain.
You like
The
watching?
patch is a game changer.
And
No
I mean,
creams, no pills, no
you like
wires. The
the
patch
scene?
is reusable and there's a real money
You're
back
late?
guarantee.
Oh my God, she's
Whether it's
pregnant.
your neck, back, knee, shoulder, or just aches and
How
pains,
pregnant
this
are you?
patch can give you your life back.
You gotta do nothing with a cowboy. I heard that.
He said it was the first time in 16 years he did not hurt. Join the hundreds of thousands he found.
Child support?
I'm asking
No.
you to try the Sigma Relief patch today.
Is it
By
a
going to our
cowboy's
website.
baby?
If you're thinking about
No.
buying, it means
What do you
need
mean,
one.
yeah?
You have nothing to lose. I promise the patch works.
Should we take it to the marshal
With this
to
Olay
see
hyaluronic body wash. And it's
where
10
is the
times
baby
more vitamin
from?
D3 complex. Just one shower transforms
Where's
my skin
my
from
best
dry
friend?
to intensely moisturized. For me, it's only Olay moisturizing
I was trying to
body
find out my Bigfoot from my dad, but no, I'm a brown macadamia bear.
Made with real iced tea and
So,
real vodka.
how's everybody doing? There's one people watching, 3 likes.
Hey folks, Chris Cooney here with Leaf Filter, America's largest
Let me leave Spencer with Cowboy. If I come back, I'll come back. Okay? I'll be right back. Well, Cowboy's coming. Come back.
Patented technology offers total
Wait.
protection for your home and comes with a lifetime transferable warranty. The process is simple. Give us a call to schedule your free gutter inspection. If you decide to move forward with the project, you put nothing down at all. 833 Leaf Filter or visit leaffilter.com today.
You love it so much. Oh, thank you. I see that you're late. You can wait for me. Come on, baby. Why you late? You pregnant? Tell me.
At approximately 1 p.m. on a peaceful late summer day, this ancient Roman city in the shadow of Mount Vesuvius is shaken by a massive volcanic eruption. Within minutes, superheated gas and lava
So,
engulfed the city.